Ready?
I'm hungry.
Move your hands. Don't do that.
What did you do with this straw now, Pumpkin? Nervous? It's official. I want to keep the candles too. You don't know how? Just stand close and blow as hard as you can.
Yeah.
That's all you gotta do.
It's getting smaller.
You did have one.
It's gonna touch.
Okay, we're gonna try it. Okay, shh. Ready? There you go.
Go.
Sit on there. Ready? Steady. Go.
I'm saying yes.
Ready? Yet?
I've never seen anyone not laugh.
I know, me neither. Here, this is the first. Ready? What'd you do with the straw? I'm like sweating. It's getting hot in here. We're just gonna go out on our own. Yeah, no. They won't even get a blow them up.
Oh, and they're melting into the cake.
Yeah. Come on, let's blow them up. You want me to blow them out?
Ik heb
Okay, here, you tell me your wish and I'll blow them out for you. Okay, ready? Set. Yay!
Hey, tillykke med fødselsdagen.
Happy birthday, Maddox.
Yeah, they melted.